Welcome to Great Matt's Workshop. Today we're going to go over how to cut a Staylock orange peel tile. It's a flexible PVC material, which means it's nice and soft, and really your best tool is a sharp utility knife. Now if you want to cut off, if you're doing an installation with an edge that you don't want to be able to see all of your loops, you can cut off the edges, just the loops with this, or you can cut off edges for wall-to-wall installations. For the sake of today's demonstration, we're just going to cut it to fit like it's going up against a wall. And so I'm going to mark in about 3 inches. Now I'm using a chalk marker so that it's nice and highly visible and easy to remove on a non-porous surface such as this. And then I'll use a cork-backed metal ruler as my straight edge guide, because it will not cut and the cork will help keep it from sliding. So as you're cutting this, you're just going to do a series of shallow scores. And assuming your blade is sharp, especially if you got a brand new one, that's going to help. This one, I have done a couple other tiles and it's starting to get a little bit dull. But either way, it's still going through pretty easy. There you have it. Get a nice, clean, straight edge. Part of the reason you do that shallow score is it actually makes a cleaner cut than if you're pushing in hard and trying to go through all through it once.